All my thanks goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Almighty, the controller of the heavens and the earth, the one who is in charge of everything that we can see and that we can't see. I also want to identify I also want to recognize the presence of the General Director of SBNDO of Kakuma. Likewise, I want to recognize the presence of Mr. Sheikh Noor, who is the Education Director of Somali Bantu National Development Organization in Kakuma. I also want to recognize the presence of the elders. One among them is Mr. West. Likewise, I want to recognize the senior teacher of Nurul Huda Academy, who is in charge of the religion and sports as well. I want to recognize the presence of Mr. Bashir Isa Abshir, who was once the teacher of Nurul Huda, and up to now is also an assistant teacher of Nurul Huda Academy. I also want to recognize one of the elders, who is also Mr. West, who is both an elder and a student in the private. I also want to recognize the presence of Mr. Farhan Suni, who is among the elders of Nurul Huda Academy. In fact, this is a great pleasure to have from our brothers. It is not something easy. I want to make a correction that this thing is not small. It is a very big thing, and we have never fallen or have never seen such thing like this. For us, all we can do is to give a maximum hand of appreciation to our brothers who have stood together, supported us day and night, who have sacrificed to distribute such a big thing. In fact, this is not a small thing. To us and to my students, it is a big thing. It is like the 7 wonders of the world. You see, it is like the 7 wonders of the world. So the thing is, if you keep supporting us like that, we promise that we will stand for the society day and night. We will sacrifice all our resources, mentally and physically, and we will make sure that we distribute education equally in our society. So I may not prolong my speech. All I can say, thanks to Somali Bantu National Development Organization Diaspora, and as well as Somali Bantu National Development Organization in the African continent. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.